Have you ever wondered what a city looked like from above the clouds? Today I am taking you on the cinematic journey over Dalian city. And trust me, you have never seen it like this before. This is Dalian, a beautiful coastal city in China. I flew my drone higher into the sky. And as I broke through the clouds, something magical appeared right in front of me. From above the clouds, the city slowly revealed itself. Tall buildings glowing, a calm lake reflecting the sky, and the clouds drifting like a soft curtain. It felt like looking a hidden world, peaceful and unreal, almost like a dream. If this view amazed you as much as it amazed me, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and tell me in the comments where should I fly my drone next.